मूषिकवाहन मोदकहस्ता चामरकर्ण विलम्बितसूत्रा वामनरूप महेश्वरपुत्रा विघ्नविनाशकपाद नमस्ते 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 नमः।
ಭದ್ರಾ ನದಿಯ ತಟದಲ್ಲಿ ಸುಂದರವಾಗಿ ಕಂಗೊಳಿಸುತ್ತಿರುವ ಉಕ್ಕಿನ ನಗರವೆಂದೇ ಹೆಸರು ಮಾಡಿರುವ ಭದ್ರಾವತಿ ಎಂಬ ನಗರದಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲರ ಮನಸ್ಸನ್ನು ತನ್ನೆಡೆ ಸೆಳೆದಿರುವ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ಕೇಂದ್ರವೇ ಡಿಸಿ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್. ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಂದ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗಾಗಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಎಂಬ ವಾಕ್ಯದಿಂದ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಮಕ್ಕಳನ್ನು ಯಶಸ್ಸಿನತ್ತ ಮುನ್ನಡೆಸುವ ಜ್ಞಾನದೀಪವಾಗಿದೆ. ಭೂಮಿಗೆ ಸೂರ್ಯನು ಹೇಗೆ ಕಿರಣ ನೀಡುತ್ತಾನೋ ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಡಿಸಿ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ಗೆ ಬೆಳಕು ಚೆಲ್ಲಿ ಕಿರಣ ಸುರಿಸಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಡಿಸಿಯನ್ನು ಸಮಾಜದಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಗೊಳಿಸುವಂತೆ ಮಾಡುವವರೇ ಜಿಕೆ ಸರ್.
It was on the evening of February 28, 1974 when a new era began in the history of education. It was a ray of hope to every student. A great living legend thought of starting something unusual called the discussion class. That great living legend is none other than our beloved GK sir, who is the proud son of this beautiful steel town. He is the one who has been inspiration, motivational force for thousands of students. One may be astonished to know that discussion class is being conducted in this town for past 40 years under his leadership. Yes friends, for 40 long years. You may also be surprised to know that DC class is now extended to other cities like Shimoga, Ballari, Raichur. Wherever our GK sir goes, people catch hold of him to know about discussion class and gain now advantage of his vast knowledge, experience and motivation.
He is very popular for the excellence in counseling. Many doctors, engineers, professors and above all great educationalists take the advice of our GK sir with regard to the betterment of their kids. He treats all the students equally, gives them same affection, care, what not all. He gives special care to the poor, provide them all the basic needs and ensure that their education is not discontinued for any reasons. He even appeals the public to contribute their might so that the parents are not burdened. All the students who have attended the DC classes are very well convinced that he is not only a good motivator but also an excellent tutor.
His finest methods of teaching is that he gives simple examples, instances to make understand bigger and tougher subjects. Once a student listens to his teaching, things will automatically get its place in the brain and will never come out of his memory chip. Our GK sir always inspires us to come out of the stage fear and hence command the students to come forward and ask questions and to take classes to juniors. We can surely say that this DC class may be considered as an open university because it is open to all the needy students and is complete in all respects. Without expectations of any fee or favor, where can we find such a type of Gurukula? Nimagidu Anyatra Alabhya is the slogan of Harsha, a popular shop in Shimoga. Same also in the case of our DC. We appeal the concerned officials of the state government to honor our proud GK sir with Rajyotsava Prashasti or such other awards as being conferred to great achievers in the field of art, literature and cinema. One should not forget the services of other members of GK sir, that is Ajja, Auntie and Raja.